If your home looks old and outdated, you have the choice of remodeling, renovating, or moving. The following tips can help you make the best decision. If you like your current house and neighborhood, renovation or remodeling is the better choice. Sometimes you don't need an entire home renovation. For example, when you are thinking of making a few changes to your kitchen, so moving to a new place doesn't make sense, and kitchen remodeling is an excellent option for you. What renovation or remodeling projects should I consider? You may be wondering what is included in a renovation or remodel project. First, let's differentiate between a renovation and a remodel. A renovation usually consists of doing some upgrades such as replacing a countertop, sink, or other fixtures. A remodel allows you to redesign your home and make considerable changes to the space. Don't forget about current trends. Incorporating current trends in your home renovation or remodel project helps make it more modern and efficient as well as stand out in the real estate market. Today's home trends lean towards smarter and more functional homes. The decision to go along with the current trends when renovating or remodeling your house is a personal one based on your preferences and style. Before renovating or remodeling your house, you must search for a reputable Philadelphia area contractor. Be sure to choose a contractor who is familiar with the type of renovations or remodeling you plan to do and who can work within your budget and schedule. Once you have a renovation or remodeling project in mind, contact Matrix Company Solutions Corp, a Philadelphia certified 203K contractor with over 25 years of experience. We will help you with your renovation or remodeling project.